Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants. Oh yes, I know we can.
Well, guys, let's do this quick. I'm not going to take long here because in the middle of nowhere, probably in some forest, but that is not important. But what I would like to say tonight is very, very important and to all of us. I want to start this way. You guys all know me, and you know me for being always sticking on the side of my people. That is the Acholi. Now, not that I don't care about other tribes, but charity begins from home, family first. That's what I've always done. But that doesn't describe anything that maybe I don't care about others. Now, briefly, what you should know about me, I'm not a politician. And I don't even wish to be one. Maybe not now. Not even anytime soon. So I am not a politician. But sometimes I discuss issues related to politics. Sometimes I do make posts in relation to politics. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about Bobby Wine's visit in northern Uganda. And this is happening soon. Now, you may ask yourself, why this discussion? Just be patient. I'm coming there. Now, guys, why I'm trying to say this, I'm trying to put this to your attention. It's very important. Very, very, very important. All right? Now, I'm trying to say this because I've heard rumors, okay? I've heard rumors that there's a section of some people who disagree ideologically with Bobby Wine, and they're planning to interfere with his campaign in northern Uganda. And these are the young people, these are the young ghetto youth, which they know how much actually I love them. Something that I do not approve. Me not being a politician doesn't mean I shouldn't air my political ideas. This is what I want to say. We are going into a period that is very, very important that we keep our eyes open. Because this is the period where we're talking about let's elect the right leaders. Let's correct our mistakes of the past where we have been just sending people without considering electing the right people. People who are capable, people with potential, people who have the capacity to lead at least. We've not done that in the past. Now, it is high time we stay focused, like we have all said. We all know that in northern Uganda here, This is about President Museveni. Northern Uganda is about President Museveni. Now, like, that's what everyone says. That is what everyone says. Whether it's opposition, whether it's the ruling party candidates, they're all talking about President Museveni as the only president to be, you know, uh, voted for the 2026 2031. What surprises me is that after we all know, and like everyone is aware, that it's about President Museveni, and everyone is going to vote President Museveni, then here a group comes and they want to interfere with Bobby Wine's events. I mean, campaign. To me, I feel like, please, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not turn something. Let's not do something for the first time when it has not been happening. Bobby Wine has been in all these parts of the country, and no host has ever been misbehaved, trying, like to do what I am hearing. Let's not spoil what our leaders, like in the NRM parties, like Honorable Todd Wong has already done. Guys, let's all agree that this Right Honorable Todd Wong Richard has done a wonderful job. He has done a remarkable job. It has never ever happened anywhere in history that a Secretary General brings together both the opposition and the ruling party candidates all together to campaign for the president. It has never happened. Well done, Honorable Todung. Now, when you see such a profile being built, and then these young boys with still a lot of boys and girls actually, with still a lot of future ahead of them, trying to bring this reputation down, what they have built. Because in other words, it's going to tarnish. At the end of the day, whether you say what or what, it's going to tarnish the name and the image of the ruling party. I don't know why, I don't know how this is not seen probably to these young boys and girls who are trying to do this. And it's worse that it's going to be through the ghetto youth. Please do not mix your hands with the blood. Do not stun Bobby Wine's cars. Do not interfere with the rallies. Do not disturb people who have moved with Bobby Wine. If the police has not been doing it for a very long time, like most people have seen or witnessed in the past, why are you doing that? Okay? I think this is a different time. I remember I was just having an interaction with one of my friends um, who is a top leadership in the police. And I was wondering, I was like, why is there not tear gas this time? Like, I was asking questions. Why is this not happening? But then he just smiled back to me and he said, you know what? You know what? We have never always disturbed. Yeah, like he just told me, this is something that people have always tarnished. So this time we just want to watch. All we do is to provide the security and show the roads the way it's supposed to be. That's all. So I smiled back at him. I was like, you know what? You're doing the greatest thing this time. However, however, I know sometimes certain things don't go smoothly all the time. So, for me, I am here just pleading to you, the ghetto youth, please do not mix your hands with blood. This little money, I know poverty has hit us for so long now that they even have statistics that say like we are the poorest in northern Uganda. But please do not let this turn into something tribalistic. I do not want to see this coming to pass. If it's a plan, please do not do it. Do not engage. Just stay away from it. I know some of you see, guys, you see these small things you do here. A regime change comes in, and then you suffer and you pay for what you've done now. So if you're not aware of that, everything that happens, it's on record. These are the people who are tearing down Bobby Wine's posters. These are the people who are like stoning Bobby Wine's car, doing everything. It should be on record. Okay. So for me, I know I'm not I'm not speaking for NRM. I'm not even speaking for People Power or any political party. But trust me, just like someone who sees a better Uganda as a way forward, I just feel like this should not even happen. This should not even be something that our young people engage in. So basically, these are the things I wanted to share. And I don't know. I don't know. You take it or you leave it. But this is my honest opinion. This is my honest opinion. This young man is seeking for his political opportunities as well. Let him come speak. We all know that northern Uganda is about President Museveni right now. That's the thing. We cannot now come and start doing something else. No, please don't. Don't do it. Don't engage in anything stupid. I would say that. Let this man come. If you're not, if you don't want to, let him come and talk. Just don't attend. Okay? Just don't attend. But we all know that Bobby Wine will always come, and then the young people will always got to listen to him. And you know he talks. He's a sweet talker. So let's not engage in anything stupid, anything that will turn tribalistic at some point, something that will mix your hands with blood. Let's not engage in that one. Let's not spoil the reputation of our people who have already built it over the years, like the likes of Todwong with his good leadership at the NRM and the image of our president, whom we still believe that he's going to go back. I am in yellow, but I'm not even an NRM, but I'm speaking for the president as well, like as right now, someone who is still doing the leadership in the country. Now, I know some of you will say, hey, you were indirectly maybe campaigning for the president. No, if I'm to give my honest opinion, then I would say this is a militarized government that it would not be very easy for my big brother, Bobby Wine, to easily find it, workable now. It's just a matter of time, and I think he will make that good leader. Okay, it may not be now, But I think right now I don't see any other leader apart from President Museveni right now leading the country. That's me. That's me. Do not judge me for that. Okay? But please and please and please let Bobby Wine come do his campaign in northern Uganda. Do not disturb him. That is what I wanted to share with you. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Really, really appreciate. See you again next time.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step